Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show or teach you on how you can edit the name of your restaurant for your restaurant. All right, so you need to log into Muchotaste or your account for Muchotaste and then click Manage. And on the left side corner, you can see the settings. Click that and website and click Open Design Mode. Okay, so you can see here the top nav bar, click that, and here on the logo text, this is where you can add a name for your restaurant. So, for example, you would like to name your restaurant or the logo for your restaurant as Mucho Taste Restaurant. Let's put it that way. Mucho Taste Restaurant. We would like this name to appear here on top of the page. This is where you can see the restaurant name, Mucho Taste Restaurant. All right, so make sure to save and let's wait for a second. There you go. So it changed to the way we want it. It changed to the name that we would like for the restaurant. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can edit the restaurant's name for your website. So again, just go to settings and let's go back. So we can recap. So go to settings, website, open the sign mode, top nav bar, and on the first option, it says logo text. So here you can edit the restaurant name for your website and make sure to hit save. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching.